One of these makes you money this week. Not passive income, fantasy, actual cash from work people already pay for. I tested all 5. Rank them by how fast you see your first dollar. Number 2 paid me $600 from a single afternoon. But number 5 is the one I'd build into a real business, and almost nobody's doing it yet. Quick warning first. Skip the saturated stuff. Générique AI blog, faceless code Chanel, dead. The money's in services where a human still has to click approve. That's the whole game. Let me show you. Number 5. Local business automation. This is the boring one that prints money. Every plumber, dentist, and gym owner is drowning in missed calls. You build them an AI receptionist. Go to VAPI or Retail, spin up a voice agent in about an hour, connect it to their calendar through cal.com. Now, when someone calls after hours, the AI books the appointment. You charge $500 setup plus $200 a month. Get 10 clients, that's $2,000 monthly, recurring while you sleep. The pitch is one sentence. How many calls did you miss last week? They always know the number. It hurts. You sell the painkiller. Number 4, AI edited short form. Don't make your own videos, edit other people's. Coaches and founders record long podcasts and have zero time to clip them. You take their 2-hour episode, drop it into Opus Clip or Clap, and it auto finds the 10 best moments with captions. You spend 20 minutes polishing the top 3. Charge $1,500 a month per client for 30 clips. The tool does 80%. You're selling taste and consistency, not labor. One creator client covers your rent. Number 3, custom GPT Productization. Here's the move nobody talks about. Find a niche with a repetitive writing task. Say, real estate listing descriptions. Build a GPT trained on high-converting examples. Wrap it in a simple page using Gumroad. Agents pay $40 a month to turn property specs into polished listings in 10 seconds. Build it once. Sell it 500 times. The setup takes an afternoon. The hard part is distribution. So you post your results in the niche's Facebook groups, not by my tool. Just made this, here's a free one. Demand pulls you. Number 2, this is the $600 afternoon. AI lead generation as a service. Businesses will pay stupid money for qualified leads. You use Clay. This is the unlock to build a list. Clay scrapes companies matching a filter, then enriches each with verified emails and a personalized first line written by AI based on their website. So instead of, "Hi there," it saw you just opened your 3rd location. You hand over 500 ready-to-send personalized emails. Charge $1 to $2 a lead. One client, one afternoon, $600. And here's where it gets good. You can layer an agent on top that sends and replies automatically. Now you're not selling leads. You're selling booked meetings, and that's a 5-figure offer. Number 1, AI Automation Consulting. Highest ceiling, fastest scaling. Companies know they should use AI and have no idea how. You walk in, find one painful manual process, invoices, customer support tickets, data entry, and automate it with Make or N8N. Example, a company manually copying form submissions into a spreadsheet 2 hours a day. You build a flow in 30 minutes that does it instantly. You just gave them back 500 hours a year. That's worth thousands, and you charge accordingly, $3,000 to $5,000 per automation. You don't need a code. You need to spot the pain and connect the boxes. Land 2 clients a month, and you replace a salary. Here's the pattern across all 5. You're not competing with AI. You're the person who knows which button to press and points it at someone with money. The tool is a commodity. Your judgment isn't. Start with number 2 this week. It's the fastest path to your first dollar. Clay has a free tier. Build one list, find 10 companies, send the emails yourself to prove it works. That single test will teach you more than any course. Subscribe, because tomorrow I'm building a complete Clay lead gen system live, start to finish, the exact setup I use to charge clients. And I'm giving you the template. Don't miss it.